if true, this is a very egregious case.
Gretchen Von Helms is a criminal defense attorney who's been practicing for more than 30 years. She says, based on the allegations in this case, it is unusual that no charges have been filed. She says it's also rare for the civil case to be filed before the criminal case.
Her civil attorney may want to just get the ball rolling because we don't know what's true or not true, and we don't know all the facts.
The suit alleges former Aztec punter Matt Araiza had sex with the then 17-year-old girl and gang raped her with 3 other men, including Xavier Leonard and Nolan Pa'a Ewaleko. All 3 were on the SDSU football team, though Leonard is the only one who is still active on the roster. All have proclaimed their innocence through their attorneys. Von Helms is not representing any of the defendants in the suit. She says the civil suit has a lower standard of proof than the criminal case, but it also moves slower than the criminal case. It could be years before a civil suit wraps up, and the criminal case could be over by then. The DA's office has yet to file any criminal charges. A spokesperson for the DA says the office is still reviewing the case.
Seems as if the police officers were trying to take their time on this case and not rush to judgment. And, because they get accused of rushing to judgment in a lot of cases. And so I think they were trying to take their time on it.
Araiza was picked by the Buffalo Bills in the 6th round of this year's NFL draft.
It's a cash grab.
Araiza's attorney, Carrie Armstrong, says that's the reason the woman, identified only as Jane Doe, waited until Araiza was named as the starter for the Bills to file the suit.
He waited until after that happened to file a civil lawsuit. He could have done it months ago if he wanted to. Could have done it a month ago when he and I communicated about it.
Araiza was supposed to start for the Bills in tonight's game, but has since been benched. Armstrong said Araiza, the NFL, and the Bills did not know about the investigation until about 6 weeks ago.
Mr. Araiza adamantly disputes much of what's in the civil complaint, including the allegation that he forcibly raped her.
The Buffalo Bills, in a statement issued yesterday, say the team has conducted a thorough examination of the matter, but because of the ongoing civil case, will not comment further. As for Leonard, who is still on the roster for the Aztecs, the athletics department did not respond to a request for comment. Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.